So here we have a 2011 Impala, and I got a little helper today, apparently. But making some noise when he makes a turn. He says it's coming from this front passenger side. Got the car jacked up. Move it. Thank you, big guy. Try to move the tire up and down. It doesn't move whatsoever. But if he lets me hold the camera still, yeah, see, there you go, perfect. You move it left to right, it shakes. I'm gonna get nowhere. So I try to move the tire up and down, doesn't move. But when I go to do the left and right, there it is. I'm gonna assume tie rod. Let's get this tire off. There's 5 19mm lug nuts, and we'll see what's going on. And I'm gonna go straight for the tie rod. Move it. Without the tire, it's kind of hard to move, but you can see it's wobbling. There you go. That's what does it every time. So let's get this thing off. All right, to get this bad boy off, we're just gonna take a pipe wrench and take that. There we go. Just to break the bond loose between the outer tie rod and that. Get that off. Hand that to my helper. And he throws it. Okay. And let's figure out what this size is. We'll come underneath here with 18mm, see if it can. Got it.
He's okay, baby.
Honey, don't cry.
You're okay.
Alright. Now that I got my helper out of here. Scared of loud noises, even with headphones on. But it's okay. We're gonna get this thing out. Just that was easier than I thought. Now we're gonna do the count the spins. $11. And I'll just leave that on there. So now we'll take the new one, start off in the downward position, get it threaded. There we go. Oh, still not enough. We'll just tap it in. Now we gotta line it up so we can put the cotter pin in. Actually, just to make it easier, I'm gonna stick it through the other side. Easier said than done, I guess. Come on. Okay, so we gotta. It's just a personal bias of mine, but I think if you're gonna purchase like a part like this, you know, buying one with a cotter pin versus a nut. Man, that's just, again, that's just my personal preference, just because it makes me sleep a lot easier at night. It's just one more safety thing to make sure that nut don't fall off for any stupid reason. But that's just my opinion. And now we'll get this nut tightened up and I'll take it for a test drive. Now, if I hear it grinding, I'll come back on and we'll redo it or relook at everything, but I don't see anything else that's wrong. Now it's nice and solid. So again, pretty sure that's gonna fix it. But if I don't come back on, yeah, that's the issue, just tore up. I don't know where the old part is. There we go, here it is. Look at that, it's gone. Look at all that play in there. It's allowing that tire to, when he turns, to just get a little loose on him, and it says making a rubbing noise, which after seeing that joint, I believe him. So I hope this video helped. Hope you liked it. Like I said, this is a 2011 Impala, I believe. And see you next time.